I guess I'm just a play date to you.
Hi everyone, I'm Agima and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you all my makeup kit, and this is sheer complete makeup kit, and I got this for my 21st birthday as a gift. So I'm sharing this kit with you all now. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So you get two compartments here and you have to open it like this, and you get mirrors on both of these sides, and then you get four blushes in here. The texture of these blushes, I have swatched it on my hand already, and the texture of these blushes look like this. They are very powdery. Let me close this and open it from the sides. Okay, it opens like this and this goes like this. Okay, so it looks like this, and you get one more compartment in this, which is this one. So you get purple color eyeshadow palette. In this thing you get light purple, then dark purple, then medium purple, lavender purple. Okay, and same goes for the other blue shade palette, the eyeshadows. And the texture of this eyeshadows, let me show you. They are again very pigmented. They are very pigmented. So we'll close this side and open this side. You get a compartment on this side too. So if we open it, y'all will get green color eyeshadow palette in here, and on the side here you will get like a golden nudie kind of eyeshadow shades. And let me swatch these shades for you guys. And these are shimmery shades. Look. Okay, then we'll close this compartment too. Okay, wait, give me a sec. I just ruined this eyeshadow here, but that's okay. So both of these compartments are over. Now we'll get onto the down compartment. So sorry for that. So you get what is it called? Yeah, it's the eyeshadows again, and you have to pull it from here like this. Wow. So somewhat it looks like this. How cute. So you get most of the browns and nudes and pinks and blacks in both of these sides. Here, take a look. You get nudes and pinks here, this side, and then you get like coral colors, pink, black, yellow on this side, and then you get two compacts here. This is the sponge. This is the sponge which you get with it, and both of here are compacts. No. So one is a compact, sorry for the mistake. So one is the compact here, and this one is a contour, I guess. Powder contour, yeah, it's the contour. And again we get a compact here, and then you get blushes on both of the sides. Again, this one is a pink kind of a shade, and this is a coral color. And then you get, then we'll come in the middle. Let me close this. Okay, so in the middle you'll get a lipstick here, and then you get one nail polish in here in the middle, and on in the middle only, both of the sides here it's gold and this is blue. This is this, both of these are eyeshadows. They are glitter eyeshadows. I will show you, just let me finish with this. Then you get two pencils here. One is the kajal, it's the kajal, and the other one is a lip pencil, it's in red color. So now let me swatch all of this on my hand. So this is the lipstick you get in here. So this is how the lipstick looks like, and let me swatch it on my hand. I haven't used that lipstick because it's kind of a red corally color, and I don't like coral color that much. So here it's a orangey red kind of a shade. And then let me swatch this. So this is the kajal you get with it. I am going to swatch it on my hands. So wow, this is the kajal. It's a black, oh my, it's too black. And then you get a red lip color, lip pencil, sorry. And this one is nice. It's a light red, not too bright and not too dark. And let me show you, lastly let me show you this eyeshadows. But before that, this is the nail polish you get. This is the color, but I can't like put it on my nails because I already have a nudie brown color nail polish on my nails. So this is a pink shiny nail polish you get in this makeup kit. Okay, so these are the eyeshadows. Let me swatch the golden one on my hands. It's kind of a jelly jelly kind of a shimmer. It has some jelly and then shimmers. If you know this kind of eyeshadows, then you might know. Okay, so this is how it, okay, swatches. Okay, so this is how the eyeshadow looks like. It's shining like a gloss, but inside you get shimmers. I don't know if you all have seen the glitter in it, but I think I don't like this kinds of eyeshadows. And this is the blue eyeshadow. The tub is very nice. I am not saying that the tub is not good. It's good, but these eyeshadows are like uncomfortable on your eyes. Let me swatch this besides the golden one. Okay, so this is how the blue eyeshadow looks like. I think you all can see the blue shimmers in the eyeshadow. I don't know why the camera focus is going here and there, but this was all for the makeup kit, and that is all. I got this makeup kit as a gift, so I can't tell you from where this kit is, because personally I also don't know from where can I get this kit, and I have searched online but I didn't get the exact same kit, but I will try to find out and I will link the website or any app in which I can get this makeup kit. That's all for my video today, and if you liked my video and enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press on the bell icon so that you will all get notified every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Yagima's Lifestyle and the Siva Style Store, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.